Hey guys, it's Maymay and welcome to another Stamp Club reveal. This is our Stamp Club reveal for the month of August 2024, and this is our Scripture Club reveal. It is so pretty. I cannot wait for you to see it. But before I show it to you, if you would like to become a member of our Stamp Club, you can do that by clicking in the notes below the show. We'll have a link for you for the Stamp Club product. And when you become a member, you get a brand new, never before seen stamp set every month mailed to your door with free shipping. And you also receive a discount in our store on most of your purchases. It's a 15% discount. All that information is in the description below for you. Are you ready for this one? It's so pretty. Check this out. This one's called Living Waters. Look how beautiful this is. This fountain. And it's actually pretty easy to work with. I was afraid this would be hard to work with in your card making or in your like art journaling, but I'll show you our samples and you'll see it's pretty easy and it looks really cool. Very, very little work to make it happen. This water puddle is so pretty with the rain if you mix those together, like have the rain coming down. And here's your sentiments. This scripture here says, He will come to us as the showers, as the spring rains that water the earth. But whosoever drinks the water that I give them will never thirst. When you go through deep waters, I will be with you. For with you is the fountain of life, showers of blessings. And then I love this. Jesus refreshes the soul. I think this is so pretty. And I know that this is fall and we're looking at a water theme here, but you really can mix this with spring and summer imagery because it's water and it's really pretty to do that. The raindrops are so cool too. They're kind of different. They don't look like a normal raindrop, but they look really cool when you use them in the art. Let me show you now. You're going to get it's 3 samples today, but I'm going to warn you, one of them is my Bible journaling for this week. So if you don't want to see it early, I'll warn you ahead of time to look away. Okay. So let me show you. Let's start with this one. This I made using our stamp set called Birdie Says. If you remember, that's a stamp set from so long ago, but I love the little umbrella in it. So I went to it and I got the umbrella and then I used the water ripples from this set. You can see these little puddles. I use those here at the bottom, and then I use the rain from this set, and then Jesus refreshes the soul. And these are just paper pieced umbrellas. We'll be sure to link that other product too in case you want to pick up that one if you don't have it, but it's super cute, that little umbrella with the little raindrops. So there's that one. Now this one is Shannon's. Look how pretty this is. The fountain is gorgeous, but I want you to notice that she let the paper do the work, and this is actually a piece of ephemera. Can you see the shape at the top? And she said she just had to cut a little bit to make it fit. Isn't that pretty? And on the inside, she added a butterfly again. But then look, for with you is the fountain of life. Isn't that pretty? This is so neat. And it's not hard to do that fountain. The shadowing and everything is already in there for you. So I think it turned out really cool. All right, I'm going to show you my Bible journal. If you don't want to see it, if you want to wait for the video that comes out on Sunday, if you don't know, the last Sunday of every month, I do heart journaling, which is not exactly Bible journaling. It's my own thing that I do. But if you'd like to watch those videos, it's the last Sunday of every month. And so this Sunday, this video will come out. So look away if you don't want to see it. But this is what I did. And I love how this turned out. I did this in the video, you'll see the technique that I used here. But the thing I really want to point out is, can you see the shine? I wanted this page to feel wet, like water. So I used glossy accents a lot. And at first I thought you're going overboard. But to be honest, I really like how it turned out. And I love this look here around, like it's almost like rock that got wet. That's what I want it to feel like. So that is our sample number 3. So I really think this is a beautiful stamp set. And if you are an art journaler or you do Bible journaling, this is going to be great for that too. I can see this being used for encouragement, when someone's going through something difficult, because that's exactly what I thought about with my scripture this month for my art journaling. I just think it will work out great. All right, you guys, I want to say congratulations to Charity. This is the very first club set Charity worked on pretty exclusively. If you don't know, we have 2 ladies in our graphic department, Sylvie and Charity, and this was her first one to do pretty much by herself. Not exactly by herself, but pretty much. So she was excited about this one, and I hope that you guys are too. Thanks so much for being a part of our club. And as always, if you are and you make a project using the stamp set, post it to our customer gallery. You are entered to win a $50 gift card that we give away every month, and the winner is announced in our reveal videos. And if you won last month, your name will be in the top line of the description below. Congratulations if you won. And if you haven't entered yet, make a project with this one and put it on our customer gallery. Thanks so much for being here today, and until next time, bye now.